Exploring the back of beyond in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words: the back of beyond. This phrase might sound mysterious at first, but it's a wonderful example of the rich imagery the English language can offer. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and origins together. The back of beyond refers to a place that is extremely remote, far away from civilization, and possibly difficult to reach. It's often used to describe locations that are isolated from busy, populated areas, where you might not see another person for miles. The phrase evokes a sense of adventure but also of solitude. When someone mentions the back of beyond, they're talking about a place far removed from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The phrase, the back of beyond, is believed to have originated in the early 20th century. It's a quintessentially English expression, though its exact origins are a bit murky. The back, in this context, suggests a place behind or beyond what is known or familiar, emphasizing its remoteness and the idea of being at the very edge of the world. Using the back of beyond in a sentence isn't just about indicating distance. It's also about conjuring an image of vast, untouched landscapes. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. She lives in a cottage in the back of beyond, surrounded by nothing but nature. Our journey took us to the back of beyond, where the sky meets the land in endless beauty. He always dreamed of exploring the back of beyond, far from the noise of city life. These sentences show how the phrase can describe physical locations as well as represent a desire for escape or exploration. There are several other phrases and words in English that convey similar meanings to the back of beyond. Some of these include out in the sticks, in the middle of nowhere, off the beaten path. Each of these expressions can substitute for the back of beyond, depending on the context, though they might evoke slightly different nuances. Exploring the phrase, the back of beyond, opens up a world of language that captures the human desire for adventure and solitude. Whether you're a writer looking to describe a remote setting or someone who dreams of escaping to a place where the earth meets the sky, this phrase holds the essence of distance and beauty. We hope this video has illuminated another fascinating corner of the English language for you. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your linguistic horizons.